Umurimo gukora ekishaayi ky'enyonyi kya Kabalega International Airport ekiri omugomborora ya Kabaro mu district ya Hoima ogumazireho obukiikuru 3 bwa dola gukatandika 2018 by'okwezi kwa kane omwaka gw'2018 kandi kampuni ya SBC Uganda Limited itaje lya SBI International Holdings nibo bakwasibwe empatane y'omurimo ogwo okwigura ekishaayi ky'enyonyi eki kukaba kutebeekanisibwe kubaho omwaka gw'2022 Beit Amos Muriso omugambirizi wa kampuni ya SBC Uganda nagira ngu omwanya ogw'endegere kubaasa kugurukiraho bwa hati guri aha bushweka 98 hari igana omukurambura kw'akakiiko akarikugaita hamwe amadini omu Uganda ka Interreligious Council of Uganda okutebeekanisibwa ab'ekitongole ky'omutindo gw'amajuta ekya Petroleum Authority of Uganda Muriso akihamize kurungi ngu nibateekateeka kwakira enyonyi y'okubanza eyekoreire emigugu kuhika aha kishaayi eki omu kwezi kwa 12 omwaka ogwo.
In December we are going to test the airport.
This year?
In this year. Because you can see the runway is almost 98% complete. Just on the marking.
Can we be here?
Peter Murisa umukurukuru gwo mu kampuni ya Uganda National Oil Company nagira ngu ekishaayi kino kija kuhweraho mu kutambuza emishuburo hamwe no kutungura eby'oburambuzi.
The investment the government has put here is a lot, about 350 million euro in getting this done. The intention, it's a facility, and the intention is that it is used to develop this country, bringing in equipment, taking our produce to other countries, bringing tourists, and now we have this road that connects Machison to Queen Elizabeth, so you no longer need to go to Kampala to. You can bring tourists here, they do the north, they do the west, they fly out of here, they don't need to go to Kampala.
What I've done here is quality work. That one I'm there to be sacrificed in case of anything. Yes, because I've seen this airport starting up to this point.
Sheikh Shaban Ramadan Mubaje mufutu wa Uganda simire government ahabwo omurimo guriyo nogukorwa.
According to what we are seeing, I think there is hope. There is a future for Uganda.
Ekishaayi eki kiine omwanya ogurikwemereraho endegina. Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.